Hello Indiana! Hey, it's Mark with Taylor & Son Chevrolet shooting a video for you on the 2006 Honda Element EX Sport. It's a clean little trade-in we just took in. Give you a shot of the engine compartment. It's a 2.4 liter. Excuse me while I put the hood down. There we go. So the front, the hood here has a few little, what you'd expect, some little rock chips here and there. Not bad at all. There's a little scratch, a light scratch right here on the bug shield. Front headlamp glass looks great, as does the bumper. The leading edge of the hood for you. No chips there. I see one little door ding over here on the passenger door, and I don't know if it's even going to show up in the video, but it's right here. And it's very slight. This is the front right tire. And wheel. Now the wheels do have some of that mag chloride staining, especially around that emblem in the middle of the wheel. Looking down the passenger side though, that is the only blemish that I see, is that ding. Maybe some super light. Nope, that was just a little dirty. No, it looks good. Looks real good. This is the right rear tire. And wheel. Same thing with the mag chloride around the edges there. Moving to the back, rained this morning, so there's some streaks here, but I don't see any scratches. Glass looks good. This rear hatch opens up, and you've got a cargo mat, a rubber cargo mat in the back. Nice cargo area back here, and then the seat backs look great in the second row. Has a sunroof for the second row. And you can see the seat backs for the front seats here as well. Rear bumper looks good. There is some light scratches here. And it looks like a little ding right there. Some discoloration in the plastic. Looking down the driver's side, I saw some very light scratches here. These could probably even be buffed out. But I do see some light scratches right there. One up here. This is the left tire and wheel. Moving inside. Got the driver door. The sill. This has an all-weather mat for the Element specific, runs all the way through the middle there. The seat bolster looks good. There was a seat repair made here. It's a vinyl on the edges, and you can see, I don't know if it'll show up, they did a great job. Dash looks excellent. Steering wheel looks really good. No funky odors in here either, so I'm not smelling any smoking. No pets. Very neutral in here. Moving to the second row. Actually, it's like a suicide door here. Get you to the second row. So it really opens up nicely. This is the rear seat, which I don't think was sat in a whole lot. It was a couple that owned it, and I don't think they had children. Again, a nice all-weather mat for the back floorboard. And move around to the passenger side. Glass looks excellent as well. This is the passenger door. A little bit of metal flake in this blue paint too, it's beautiful. This is the sill, some light scratches on the sill from getting in and out, normal wear. Seat bolster looks excellent over here. No repairs needed, it looks awesome. This is the 5-speed manual. Yay! Aux and a 12-volt socket. And then again, this back door opens up to give you a nice, easy to get in the vehicle, load equipment or whatever. Back seat looks fantastic. Well, there you have it. I'm going to get this video into Rebecca. She'll get it uploaded and over to you, and then follow up to see if you have any questions at all. Thanks for watching.